Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and in this video, I'll be going over how you can add Aliexpress products and link them to your Shopify store. Now I'm going to go over a manual way here. I'll go over that quickly, and then I'll move on to the automatic way, as that is the preferred one to add to your Shopify store. Make sure you stay to the end of the video here, as I'll go over the process step by step, starting with an example product. Before I dive into it, I want to mention our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. All you have to do is click the dates you want to select, and you can easily calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you can understand your store's true performance here. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'm going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So to start, let's go over how you can manually add a product from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. Now, if you take any of these products here, say this glue gun as an example, if you wanted to add this manually, what you could do is simply just screenshot or sync any of the product information and add it to your store. You can then create your own variants. So if we were to go to the Shopify homepage here, and on the left-hand side, you can get to products. You can go over to the right under add product. And this will be the new product menu here. So for example, if I wanted to add this glue gun here, I could copy and paste the title, would go back to my store here. I could paste in the title here. If I want a description, I can maybe copy what's here, all the information here on how it works and the different variants. So if I copy and paste that there, it's going to give me some description. I could add more info if I wanted to. I probably would there because that's pretty basic. And if you wanted to add files, you can simply just add any of the screenshotted photos you had. So I can just add this one here. You maybe set a price, $24.95. It's probably on the more expensive end. I could give it a cost per item of how much it cost in Shopify, or sorry, Aliexpress at $2.50. I could use it to track quantity. I could set shipping costs and so on. And once that's done, I just want to hit save and it's going to be default active there. And that's how you would manually add a product from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. If I want to go view it here, I can click more actions and copy the link. Now the store does have password protection. So I'm just going to scroll to the bottom here. If I copy that URL, I can then paste it. And that's basically how that product will look. So I did skip through that a little quickly there, but usually the manual method is not the preferred way. Rather, the best way is to utilize the Shopify App Store's many dropshipping AliExpress apps that link directly with AliExpress to make the ordering process extremely easy. Now, there are quite a few on the App Store here. All do AliExpress dropshipping. One of the most popular ones is going to be Dsers with over 11,000 reviews here. Now, I've already installed it on this demo app store here. So all you have to do is search Dsers in the Shopify App Store and it's going to come up. So once you install the app, it's going to bring you to this authorization screen. When clicking the Aliexpress button, I'm going to simply hit authorize here to establish a connection between the two. And once you hit authorize there, it should go forward correctly. It's going to bring you to this really nice wizard here. So I'm going to hit let's start importing products. And it's going to give you a quick overview on how to do it. Basically, you're just going to copy and paste your Aliexpress URL, and it's going to import that product into your store. Then if you click the push to Shopify button, it's going to send that product to your store, and then you just have to wait for that to be pushed, and it shouldn't take too long there. So I'm going to skip the ordering process at this point. I'm going to go back to my glue gun product here. Now this is just an example product, and I can go back, import here into the import list. I'm going to this import or search button at the top, and I'm going to copy and paste this URL, hit the search button, and I can see it's already shown up here. Now, if I hover over this push to Shopify button, I can set different pricing rules. I can set the store selected. I can also publish to the online store or continue selling without a stock. I'm going to push this to Shopify here, and then I'm going to wait for it to load. And so it only took a few seconds, but if I go back into my Shopify store here, go to products, I can see this has already been imported here. It's going to do things such as importing the description automatically with all the different images. It's going to automatically create all these different variants for the glue gun, as well as give the price per item. So it's going to save you a lot of time here rather than manually importing these products by hand. So I'm not affiliated in Dsers anyway, but they do have a completely free plan here, and you can manage up to 3 stores with up to 3,000 products with automatic order syncing and automatic tracking number syncing. And you can sync these tracking numbers to PayPal. So overall, it is the most installed and reviewed app available on the App Store. So that's why I'm showing it in today's video. So again, the process is simply just go to import or search here, copy and paste your URL, hit that search icon again, It's going to load the product, and from there you can hit the push to Shopify button. So overall, a very easy process here, and it makes it super convenient to upload products from AliExpress into your Shopify store. So this is going to conclude the video here. If you did enjoy it, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc again. The one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to make it super easy to understand how your store is performing, giving you a ton of other metrics in an easy-to-read dashboard. And there's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.